Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to another Model Monday. It's the middle of August and for the summertime, and I thought we'd go a little differently now. We're going to be building this week. This is the Dale Earnhardt car that we got for 20 bucks, $5 off at a local flea market, which this is probably a $65 model kit at this point. But before we get to that, I wanted to show you some of the things that we did get. Ordered some stuff, and this is some of the things we got, because I have a lot of cars. You guys have a lot of cars, and I've been trying to figure out a way of maybe displaying them better or something. So we ordered these two pieces for $10. So let me move this out of the way. So we got these two pieces for $10. If you hear in the background, that's my dog chewing on stuff, sorry. Anyway, two-piece 124 scale backdrop miniature garage parking lot diorama. And this is what I ordered. It was $10.99 free shipping. And so this is what it looks like here. We'll go ahead and open it up. And if you want to look here, you can see what we ordered. It was like $10.95. And they are for 124 scale vehicles. Now, you could have 124 scale, diecast or your model kits. And so this one here that we're going to open up real quick, these are a way for us to, when I'm done the model kits or whatever, or if you want to display these, it's an easy way to display them. Because a lot of these kits, if you notice, we've had a lot of kits that come with like extra parts. They'll come with jacks, or they'll come with a spare engine or whatever. And so I ordered these. I said they basically cost about $5 a piece, and we can put them together here. They just snap in there, and this one snaps in. They just snap in just like this. Hold on. Anyway, dogs are playing in the background. But this is one which is a garage. And there you go. So I'm just snapping together here. I'll make it work a little bit better here in a couple of minutes. They do seem to just snap right in on there. So anyway, that's it. And let me get a car. So this is Grumpy's toy. This is one of the model kits we built last year, I guess, or year before, on Model Monday. And it's just a way that if I take the camera here off its podium post, and we just put it here, we can just back this up, and basically there you go, guys. Like, check that out. That is a way of photographing or making a video or whatever, or displaying a car of 124. So this is the first one here, which is being out in the parking lot. And so this one came with it. And then let's get the other one here. Open this up. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so then here is, put the camera back up on its stand here real quick. Okay. And here is the other one. Flip this over. Again, it looks like it has the same base, but a different number on it there. And this is a parking garage. Let's push this in here. it in. There we go. That snaps in there. And this fits in here. Every time I start doing model stuff, the dogs want to play. So there we go. And there. Okay. So then we have that one, which we can also take this camera off, and we can put this here like this. You know, or put that like that, or you can park it like this. All right. So there's a couple uses for this, obviously. Now, the other reason I want to do this, look, check this out. Found this at Dollar Tree, right? So we can just put that there. And then some of the engines that we've built over the years for engine stands. I think this one went like this one was over here on an engine there. I forget how this stand sits. Does it go like that? Oh, yeah. So this engine sits here. We can take this out for the moment if we wanted to. We've got this here. This engine just sits right on it. It's a Hemi that we built for something. Maybe it goes the other way. No, I think it goes this way. Anyway. Let's put this one on here. Maybe this fits. There we go. And then we have this engine that can sit there, and another engine. So a lot of these kits that we've built over the year, they have different engines and they have jacks and all kinds of other stuff. And so that's another reason to buy this for $10. All right, hold on. Let's get a couple figures for here, right? Because that would be cool. I've noticed some of the other guys, when they're done, they show figures in with their vehicles. So then I ordered this one right here called Dangerous Curves. All right. And I thought it came painted and everything else because I'm not really good at figures, but it doesn't. And you have to put it together. And I have not done that yet, but I will. And I'll do this one probably on camera, but I'm not going to do it today because I thought, well, I'm not really good at painting figures. So then I ordered a ton, $13 for all these 1/24 scale figures. 24 piece, 1/24 scale, unpainted figure set. I'm not really, you're going to watch me here. We're going to open this up. I just ordered it. I just wanted to show you. They're $13 if you want to get these. There's some seated figures, standing figures, and we can use these with your models to help promote the when you build your models to make a diorama. Okay. Now, this one figure here online was $13. But you can order these, which I ordered online, and they come with men and women and kids, and there's a whole bunch of things here. Paint however you want. Mechanics, all this kind of stuff. But as I said, I suck at figure painting. So there's a place called American Diorama, and that's this. Okay, so this is the other thing that I bought. So this guy here, this is the figure that says, like, mechanic on break holding coffee. And so here he is. He's painted. So it kind of shows me how to paint these figures, right? Because it's already pre-painted. He leans back, and you can, probably a little slippery for this. Oh, it's a little slippery for that. So, whoa, he's very slippery because he wants to lean. So I'm going to put him in the corner over here. He may not even be able to stand in this corner. Yeah, he can't stand. I'll have to figure out a way. Maybe put something on, put some sandpaper on the shoe. But, cup of coffee. And so he's painted. He's a mechanic. And then I got another one from there. This is Lady Waiting. So this one too. She probably doesn't stand up either. Let's see. Oh yeah, she does. All right, so then she'll be hanging out there. And so that I can figure out how to paint. That's a female figure, male figure, obviously. And then I thought it was fun because they have some fun other figures online. And this one is a female mechanic. So, I don't know if she'll stand. I hope she will. Yes, she will. So, you can have American Diorama figures are all, the 124 figures are $7.99 plus shipping. I think $4.95 shipping. So, they're basically about $13 if you get them already painted. This is the American female mechanic that we ordered, and then we have some other ones here. All right, guys, and then here AMT has their garage accessory set, and you can get them on probably any of the modeling sites, but Amazon's got them for, you know, $25 to $30, and like this one here is it comes with the lift. You can get lifts as well that are already pre-made if you don't want to build one. But there's that. Here's Tip Top Shop. There's a whole bunch of different ones. If you put in 124th garage, 124 garage into Amazon, you'll see a whole bunch of kits come up. You can get all the tools and mechanics and all kinds of stuff. So that's something that, you know, if you want to do dioramas, if you just want your car on a shelf, that's one thing. If you want to do a diorama, then this is some other stuff that you can get. So there you go. Let's see if this guy will stand. Nope. Well, this guy stand. Nope, I gotta sand them down. So this guy could be sitting up here. Or, I don't know. Anyway, there you go. So, these are things that we're not building the models today, although we did put these together. You can see how simple they were to put together. For $10, you get these. You can put them in your plastic, you know, containers or whatever you keep things in. Displays, you could display them on. For $10, you get 2 of them. So, I just think it's a cool way. I'm going to probably build these into 2 dioramas. One's going to be a machine shop with all the tools and extra engines and stuff that we get. And then I'll probably be, I don't know which one. One of these, probably going to be this one, will be the garage where we keep all the engines and stuff, so that when we build them, they're not just sit in a box somewhere. And then this one I'll use when I build a car model, and I'll put it together here, and then I'll put this on the cover. So this is just some ideas of how to do something very inexpensive that can really, if you build a lot of models, even if you don't build, if you build a couple models, or even if you build one model and you're going to take it to a show, or you just want to put it on the shelf and it's going to be really cool looking on the shelf, that this is something that you can definitely do. So anyway, and I got to figure out how to get him to stand. So, he's supposed to be leaning on a car. I don't really want to glue him to anything, so I'll have to figure out how to get him to stand. Anyway, that's what working on today. That was your Model Monday. Simple model kits. Like I said, and then one of the cool things is, like, you can go over to dollar store for $1.25 and you buy this, which is cool because you can put your engines on it, put tools on it, whatever. I wonder, I could probably get him. Maybe I get him. No, he's leaning, so he has to lean on something. I'm actually probably, maybe I'll just tape him or glue him leaning against the wall. Maybe that's what I do. All right, guys. So that's Model Monday for today. Our next Model Monday, we're going to be painting some figures. Maybe our next one we'll paint some figures. And we're also going to build that Revell kit because it's a 1997 kit, I believe. And the decals in it are kind of starting to yellow a little bit. So I want to make sure we build this before the decals go bad. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying all the shorts we're putting up and everything else. If you guys have any ideas of any cars you particularly like, we have, if you want me to build a model of a car you particularly like, happy to do that, or truck. If you have any ideas of, hey, did you ever video a whatever, you know, it could be anything. It could be a 62 Valiant, or it could be a 70 Hemi Cuda convertible. We have over 10,000 cars that we have videoed. I'm just kind of pulling stuff out right now while I have my leg injury, so that way you can see things that we've gone ahead and videotape. So anyway, and sorry about the dogs in the background when you have 4 dogs and they all want to play at some point when you're not paying attention to them. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some ideas of how to display your models in an inexpensive way. These guys here are $7.99 plus $5 handling, so they're about $11, $12 a piece. If you want the ones that are painted already, if you want the whole packet of ones that are not, they were, like I said, $13. These two together came as a kit. Sorry. They came as a pack of 2 for $10. And you could paint these with pastels. These are pastel paints. They're like $1 a piece or 55 cents a piece at Walmart. And that's what I'm going to do. So you'll see me try to paint all the different faces and everything. And they have a ton of different characters. They even have race teams. So if you're somebody who builds F1 cars and you need a race crew and a pit crew, they have those. So this just gives you some ideas of what to do. All right. Thank you, guys. Enjoy Model Monday, and we will be back with even more regular videos coming to you soon. All right, thanks. Bye-bye. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.